Tularemia in dogs. Tularemia or rabbit fever is a bacterial disease caused by Francisella tularensis that affects humans and many species of wild and domestic animals. It is most commonly found in rabbits and mice. The disease causes tumor-like mass in infected animals' liver. If not treated at time, it can spread to humans from their beloved pets, so it is very important to get rid of it as soon as possible. The bacteria exists highly in the USA, especially in North America. Generally, dogs are not affected to tularemia easily. Let's now understand how the bacteria gets transmitted. But before that, make sure that you are hitting on the subscribe button and staying updated with Dogalicious content. So let's understand how the bacteria gets transmitted. The bacteria gets transmitted by three ways. First, ingestion of any part of an infected animal, especially rabbits or rodents. Second, drinking untreated contaminated water or touching contaminated soil. Third, getting infected by blood-sucking insects like fleas. But how would you understand whether your dog has got tularemia bacteria or not? Here are the symptoms to have a clear perspective on this disease. If you observe any of the following symptoms in your dog, rush to a vet and understand thoroughly that what this is about. The symptoms include sudden low to high fever, lethargy, dehydration, loss of appetite, painful or swollen lymph nodes, abdominal pain, jaundice, white patches on the tongue, and large spleen or liver, or organ failure. Diagnosing tularemia in dogs. Once you see any of the following symptoms, it's time to diagnose the disease by a professional. Diagnosing tularemia in dogs requires a CBC blood test followed by a blood chemistry panel. A bacterial cultural test is also required. The previous medical history of the dog also comes in handy. Early and proper diagnosis of tularemia in dogs is a must to prevent death. Here is how the treatment process of a dog looks like who has been infected with tularemia. Tularemia in dogs, if not treated early, can result in death of the affected dog. The treatment period should carefully be dealt by the dog parents to avoid the spread of the disease within the family. If you see most of the above discussed symptoms, rush to a vet. The vets generally follow the following treatments: antibiotic dose, external supplements, draining abscesses. If you are worried about this disease, you might want to know how to prevent this one. Here are some steps to prevent tularemia in dogs. Tick control for dogs and the house. Giving dogs insecticide baths. Avoiding dogs from drinking untreated water and touching contaminated soil. Cooking with wild game well before feeding it to the dog. Avoid hunting. This was our take on tularemia in dogs. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to Doggies World and help us build a dog caring society. Until next time, happy petting to you guys.